Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel Universal Detailing Kit Automotive Dust Car Crevice Cleaner Slime Auto Air Vent Interior Detail Removal for Car Putty Cleaning Keyboard Cleaner Car Accessories Blue. Perfect CAR Cleaning Tool. PULIDIKI Cleaning Gel for Car Detailing is designed to clean car air vents, steering wheel, console panel, storage bins, cup holder, door handles, dashboard and other hard-to-reach places. Car slime for cleaning is car essentials for women and men to clean your car. Easy to use, push car cleaning gel into little cracks, press car cleaner slime on and the dust would be carried away. Friendly to car gel cleaning putty is a high-tech cleaning compound gel for cars. Car goop cleaner is made from natural materials. The car cleaning kit can easily pick up dust. Reusable. Car detailing putty auto cleaning gel can be used for multiple times until the car duster interior turns to black. Multiple uses. Automotive dust cleaning gel can not only clean car nooks and crannies, but also for home and office use. Cleaning putty for electronics, computer keyboard, laptops, cell phone, calculator, TV remote and furniture. Thanks for watching and subscribe.